Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am making a video in a very long time. And no, that's not because I've been killed or captured or kidnapped or in any way harmed, because I've been procrastinating significantly and I've also been actually genuinely busy. It's a mix of the two. Sometimes you think like of the time that you procrastinated, what if you didn't procrastinate and you actually just got the tasks done? How far would you get through? Like sometimes it feels like you have so many tasks that there's no way you'll get through all of them, even if you like work for 12 hours a day every day. But anyway, that's not relevant. As pertaining to Stellar AI, I'm going to include a couple of good UI changes to make it more accessible on multiple devices, but and include a couple of major features that I'm thinking of including. If you are a coder, I think you are. If this video was recommended to you, that would be very weird if you're not a coder. If you like, building projects and stuff like that, and you like to develop things solo for whatever purpose, whether it's just for like a school or college project, or if you're actually like trying to build an app, then you should sign up for Stellar AI, because it's in its early life, and before it blows up to become bigger than, say, the big GPT or the big Gem, I suggest that you go try it. And with time, I will try to fulfill the promise that I make on the landing page, which is that Stellar AI will be like your Jarvis-like assistant, like Jarvis, like from the movies, right? Because that would be pretty cool. And also, another important thing is that I'm going to be soon creating a multi-episode course here on YouTube about the history and math of AI. So it's going to be starting, and it's going to go like way back meaning 100 years back, about the history of how natural language processing was specifically being developed. Not all AI. That I can go to like Greek times. I'm not ancient Greek time. I'm not going to do that. I'm too lazy. But just about like natural language processing and how that was being developed. And I'm going to start all the way from Markov models. And if you know what that is, you will know that that is from 100 years back. So that's a long time back. Up until now, up until the enslopification of AI, up until now when everybody hates AI and things like that, when AI has been central to literally everything else since, I don't know, since the 1980s or something along those lines. So that's also another important thing, and which, if you're interested in machine learning, if you're interested in any of these things, if you're a returning viewer, or if you're watching because you just found this video randomly and it's 10:52 p.m. and you're not really worried you're going to go sleep, either way, even if you clicked on this video to kill time, I suggest that you click the red subscribe button and also go to Stellar AI and sign up, because that will be pretty cool for you to share your feedback, say, wow, this sucks, bro, you speak in such a cool way, like I liked your video, but like you suck, like what is that website, your UI is trash and everything like that. And then when you start telling me that the UI is trash and then the features are trash, that's when I start taking the notes, because I'm like, oh, okay, so he didn't like this, he didn't like that, or she didn't like, and I have to write that down and I have to change that. So yeah, essentially what I'm trying to say is that I need your feedback, and if you could do that as fast as possible and as honestly as possible, then that would be great.